Native to the subtropical mountainous areas of Asia, from China to Taiwan, the China doll plant, otherwise known as an emerald tree, is a rather tall plant when grown outside. China doll is often grown as a houseplant for its abundant, glossy, green fern-like leaves. Adapted from its origin as a large tree, this fast-growing plant now happily tolerates indoor growing conditions. Although China doll doesn't bloom indoors, a mature plant will produce large, trumpet-shaped white flowers when grown outdoors. The flowers are night-blooming and only last for one night, wilting in the morning sun. Grow China doll in a medium to bright spot. The brighter the light, the faster this houseplant will grow. Water China doll enough to keep the soil moist, but never soggy or saturated. This may be once a week or so depending on how large your houseplant is, how large a China doll's pot is, how much light it receives, and the temperature. China doll can be grown in larger pots with plants that need similar conditions. Plants that companion well with it include Dracaena and Dieffenbachia. China doll plant benefits include easy to care, non-toxic, low-maintenance indoor houseplant. This plant is beneficial in cleaning indoor air, provides fresh oxygen, and are useful for skin issues. That's why leaves are an important part of treatment. China doll has medicinal use for its resolving issues related to venomous snake bites and is also effective in skin problems, sterilization, and even heat clearing.